The number two question I get, if I start my benefits, can I change my mind? So, yes, if you start your retirement benefits or spouse benefits or surviving spouse benefits or even disability benefits, you can always change your mind. So let's stick to the retirement part of it. So if you decide that you file a retirement claim and then for some reason you change your mind, decide to go back to work, your boss finds out and says, hey, I'll give you, $50 of an hour increase if you don't stop working and come back, and, something, life happens. So what you do is if you do it within 12 months, you can withdraw your application. So you filed for your benefits, you started receiving your benefits within 12 months, you can call Social Security and say, never mind. And then you withdraw the application, SSA 561. But because you're withdrawing the application like it never happened, therefore you should have never got that money. You have to pay that money back. So that's only within 12 months. If you are filing for benefits early and it looks like your boss decided to give you an extra $50 an hour and you're going to be going over the annual earnings limit, then you can call Social Security and they can essentially suspend your benefits. So because Social Security holds back $1 for every $2 you go over the annual earnings limit. This year it's the $23,400. So if you're going to be going over that, to avoid any type of overpayment in the future, you just call Social Security and say, yeah, I told you I was going to stay under 23,400, but I'm not. I'm going to be making 60,000, 70,000, whatever the case may be, and they will suspend your benefits. The good thing is, if they suspend your benefits, they'll be recalculated, yes, at a later time. Okay. So, and another way you can essentially suspend your benefits is once you reach your full retirement age, you can suspend your benefits voluntarily. You can suspend them and get what's called delayed retirement credits. Because anytime you delay receiving your Social Security benefits after your full retirement age, Social Security adds 8% every year to your benefit amount. So once you get close to your full retirement age, you can call Social Security and say, hey, suspend my benefits. I want to get those delayed retirement credits, the 8% per year. You might have to battle a little bit. I've got the link on my website there about that, because you often have to teach the person at the front window about that because not many people know about it. Not many people use that.